Business Environment and Strategic Management. Chapter 9, Establishing Company Direction. Chapter Summary. Concept of Strategic Vision. Vision is the picture or desired future state of an organization. It specifies the direction that a company intends to follow in developing and strengthening its business. Characteristics, qualities of strategic vision: future focused, directional, clear, feasible, values based, challenging, unique, inspiring. Benefits of strategic vision: provides direction and prepares the organizing for the future, provides guidance for decision making, shapes the organizational strategy, shows the future aspiration, sets priorities and guides planning. Communicating the strategic vision: the strategic vision should be well communicated to all managers, employees, and external stakeholders. A well communicated strategic vision remains as the base for winning the support and commitment of the employees towards actions that get the company moving in the intended direction. Concept of mission: a mission statement defines the business in terms of customers, employees, suppliers, and the community. It helps clarify the scope and objectives of the business. It also reflects the business special niche. Characteristic of mission: broad in scope, precise, inspiring, multi-components, distinctive, includes major components of strategy. Importance of mission: brings uniformity, base of resource allocation, develops organizational culture, enhances employee ownership, defines the business, reflects the organizational responsibility, shows the operating philosophy. Consideration for the development of strategic vision and mission: all managers from top to lower level should be involved in process of developing the strategic vision and mission. It enhances commitment toward their organization. It facilitates formulation and implementation of strategy. Objectives are the expected outcomes of an organization. They convert the strategic vision into specific performance targets. They are the end result of planned activity. Components of objective: specific, measurable, achievable, realistic, timely, motivate, flexible, hierarchical, uh, congruent across departments. Role of object in strategic management: define the relationship of the organization with the environment, show the relevancy of vision and mission, provide the base of strategic decision, provide foundations for the development of work standard, help develop distinctiveness and existence. Financial objectives: they are related to financial performance targets. Establishing financial objectives is a decentralized activity. They serve as the basis of resource allocation. Strategic objectives. Strategic objectives are the target outcomes of an organization in long range, normally 5 years. They are related to strengthening market power, competitiveness, and future business prospects. Differences between financial and strategic objectives: time. Financial objects are short term, whereas strategic objectives are long term. Expression: financial objects are expressed in quantitative terms, whereas strategic in qualitative terms. Scope: financial objects are narrower than strategic objects. Concept of SWOT analysis. Under SWOT analysis, the information about external and internal environment is presented in a structured way. The environmental opportunities and threats are identified and evaluated. Similarly, strength and weakness are located through the internal or resource analysis. Finally, a matrix is prepared to match the external components with the internal capabilities and develop possible strategic alternatives to develop possible strategic options. Components of SWOT analysis: strength, weakness, opportunity, threats. Importance of SWOT analysis: strategic fit, analyze opportunities, analyze threats, analyze strength, analyze weaknesses.